Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer a photograph on a piece of tile. I found this piece of tile literally in a pile of trash. Many people renovate their houses around Diwali and someone in my building must have gotten their floors fixed. I found a pile of broken tiles and some of these rectangular tiles below my building to be thrown away, and I saw an opportunity to create some artwork. The style is rough on one side and smooth on the other. I'm going to use the rough side of it. I printed this photograph of my parents in my office using a LaserJet printer. This is a normal A4 size printer paper. It's not very thick. It's just the normal paper that we use in our office work. First, I'm going to clean my tile using a wet cloth to remove any dust. Now I'm going to apply some generous amount of Fevicryl Mod Podge on it. Now I'm going to spread it all over my surface using a brush, and I'm going to make it as even as possible. Now I'm going to place my photograph on it and I'm going to lightly press it using my hands. By doing this, I want to remove any excess blobs of Mod Podge under the surface. Now I'm going to let it dry for a day. It might not need that much time to dry, but I am doing this for the first time and I don't want to take any risks. So I'm just going to leave it alone for a day. So my surface is completely dry. I'm going to take this wet sponge and lightly press on my surface. My objective is to weaken the paper so that it just removes by itself. Do not rush this process. Take your time. Just keep applying the wet sponge on the surface till the color of the paper starts to change. If you don't have a sponge at home, you can use a wet cloth. Just make sure not to rub it very hard. I'm sorry for this shaky video. Actually, I left my tripod at home, so I had to hold my camera in one hand and work on the tile with the other. So you see the paper has started to come off. I am going to rub it all over very gently so that the paper starts to come off and only the colored portion is left on the tile. As you can see, the paper has come off and the photo is now transferred on the tile. To be honest, it was a kind of a satisfying thing to see this photograph slowly coming out. It is a little faulty at the edges where I could not apply the Mod Podge quite evenly, but it's okay, it's my first time. In the end, I'm going to apply a thin layer of Fevicryl Mod Podge on it. It is going to seal and protect it to some extent. I'm going to gift it to my parents on their marriage anniversary. You can also create gifts like these for anyone you like, for their birthdays, wedding anniversaries, Valentine's Day, any occasion. I hope this video was useful for you. I hope you learned something. I hope you are going to create something like this. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you'd like to watch more videos like this. I'll see you later. Bye bye.